In today's video, we're going to walk through how to permanently delete your Instagram account on an iPhone. Let's get started and see how it's done. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. On the main page, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open more options. From the menu, select Account Center. Once you're in, scroll down and choose Personal Details. Next, you'll see an option called Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Now, you'll find the deactivation or deletion option. Tap on that. Choose your account, and you'll see two options. The first is to deactivate your account, which is temporary and allows you to reactivate it whenever you want. The second is to permanently delete your account, which means you won't be able to recover or reactivate it later. Make your decision based on what works best for you. After selecting an option, tap on Continue and follow the instructions. That's all. It's a quick and easy process to either deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.